Hi and welcome to the last video in this section, Good King Wenceslas. I hope I'm saying it right. I hope you are enjoying these simple tunes. It's a very good idea to start simple and then we go on to the more complex one. And all these songs and tunes are made to fix the notes and the rhythm in your mind and in your fingers. So let's go ahead and break the song down. All right. The first thing we notice that the time signature is 2/4, and 2/4 means 2 quarter notes in every bar, or the equivalent, like 4/8 notes. And the first bar we have the 4/8 notes, and we count these 1 and 2 and. So if we play the C, the second string first fret, 1 and 2 and. I'll play that again. 1 and 2 and the second bar we count 1 and 2, so it's C, C, G. So these two bars. And don't forget to alternate the IM. We haven't talked about this for a while now. I hope you're still playing with 2 fingers, not just 1. Now the next 2 bars repeats twice in the song. So if you play these 2 bars or practice them, start with an A, then G, then A again, B, and then finish with C, 1 beat. So these 2 bars again. And these two bars repeats in the middle line. Okay, the last 2 bars. So it repeats twice. Okay, of course, and we're going to repeat the whole 4 bars that we just played. So let's try that again. Sorry. Okay, now if you done your scale, the G, from the G to G, the 1 octave, the next one is a part of it, the descending from G, G, F, E, D. So that's just a very tiny part of the scale. And then we start from the E, D, C. So to count this, counting 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Then the 2 bars that repeats, starting from the A, and then we start from the G, 3rd string open, A, B, C, C, D. So again, this is like the scale. If we play G, A, B, C, D, but different rhythm, and instead of now it's. So they are the same notes, but we have a different rhythm. And then the descending scale from G again. G, F, E, sorry. G, F, E, D, C. I just cut my nails, so bad idea. G, F, E, D, C, first time we do this, we finish on the C, we lower the finger down to F, and then back up to the C. So let me play the last part again from the G. Okay, so now I'm gonna play it with the metronome on 60 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and. One and 2 and. Maybe it's all right with you to play in that speed, but I'm sure you need to play it a little bit slower. So that's why I'm gonna play it again on 50 beats per minute. If you couldn't follow up on the last video, you can follow up on this one. So again, we'll play it on the 50 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and. We learned a lot in this section. We learned the third string notes, the G and the A. We learned how to count the eighth note and a very well known tunes, Happy Birthday and Good King Wenceslas. I hope you enjoyed this section. Don't try to rush and learn these songs fast. Try to take your time, play them slow. If you have the metronome, start with the speed 40. Then go to 45, 50, 55 until you reach 60. Don't start 60 at from the first time you practice. Try to break the song down. Try to like we did with the Good King Wenceslas. Try to practice the little segment like the scales and the repeat bars alone, and then try to merge them when you play or practice the song. I hope you like this section. I hope you like my choice of tunes. I know they are simple, but trust me, we're gonna get more complex in the coming sections. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.